level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up.
Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl Chanelle Novosey. Today I'm coming to you with a really fun DIY. I'm going to be showing you guys how to decorate paper mache pumpkins. I got these from Joann's Fabric. They were $10.99 originally. They're currently 70% off, so make sure you go grab some of these before they're gone. And I'm going to be showing you two methods, one using spray paint, one with hand paint. So I think this would be a perfect project to do with the kids. So first I'm going to take some of my metallic chrome spray paint, and I'm going to give this taller pumpkin a spray first. While the other pumpkin dries, I'm going to take some paint. This is a copper color by Folk Art, and I'm going to paint my smaller pumpkin. Okay, love, so once you went ahead and you painted your whole pumpkin, I'm going to allow this to dry for a few minutes. It may take 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to check on the other one as well and come back and show you how to decorate both of your pumpkins. So next, what you're going to do after you've allowed your pumpkin to fully dry, I'm going to take some Mod Podge and pour it into a cup. Then you're going to add your glitter, and then I'm going to stir it up with a straw. So next I'm going to take a manila envelope, and I'm going to cut it down the middle and on the side, open it up and place my pumpkin in the inside. So next you're going to take a painter's sponge, or you can use a regular paintbrush, and I'm going to take the glitter and apply it to the pumpkin. So next what I'm going to do is take some glitter glue. This is a black color, black and silver, and I'm going to apply it to the stem of the pumpkin, and I may go down the middle of each section and add it there as well. And I'm going to use a paintbrush just to keep it on the stem. So here's what it looks like once I went ahead and I added all of my glitter to my pumpkin. I'm going to allow this to dry for a while. There is quite a bit of glue on the top of it, but I just say have fun with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to look any specific way. I'm going to actually paint the other pumpkin while this one dries. And I'm going to follow the same method. I'm going to add my Mod Podge to a cup and then add my glitter on top. So next I'm going to take my black glitter glue, and I'm going to add it to the stem of this pumpkin as well. So I went ahead and I took some black paint and I added it to the top of the pumpkins because the black glitter wasn't drying that fast and it was kind of drooping down because it was all too wet. I like the effect that the black paint gave me, and what you can do is just, take a paintbrush and just draw lines if you want, just to give it a little bit of definition. You can go all the way down the line if you want to. Mine is just going to be a light subtle line, like that. Okay, why not? I'm going to just go ahead and add some small lines to the pumpkin just to add definition. I finished up this one, and I'm going to do the same thing to this one. Just add a few lines of the black paint inside of here. It just seems to pop out more when I use the acrylic paint. And here are the finished products. This was so much fun to do. I really enjoyed it. Everything I used today will be listed in the description box. I hope you guys like the background. I finally made something. I did record the DIY on how to achieve this. If you would like to see that, comment below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. You guys, thank you so much for all of your love. Thank you if you're a new subscriber. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know if you liked it. And I'll see you guys in another video really soon. Have a blessed day. Bye.